Filipinos from across Europe gathered in The Hague, Netherlands to show their support for former President Rodrigo Duterte. Joey Francisco with the big story.
Duterte! Duterte!
Filipinos from various parts of Europe gathered at the Het Malieveld Park in The Hague, Netherlands for a meet and greet event with Vice President Sara Duterte. In her speech, the Vice President urged supporters to continue demanding her father's return to the Philippines.
Ang pwede natin gawin ay i-demand na ipauwi or iuwi nila si Pangulong Duterte. Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
She shared that every time she visits, her father asks her when she can bring him home as he wants to campaign for the upcoming midterm elections. The former president is running for Davao City Mayor. VP Sara also revealed that she warned her father that he might meet the same fate as democracy icon Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr. if he insists on returning to the Philippines.
Sinabi ko din sa kanya yon pa. Sabi ko, yung kagustuhan mo na umuwi, yan din yung katapusan ng buhay mo. Magiging Ninoy Aquino Jr. ka. At sinabi niya sa akin, sabi niya, kung ganyan ang kapalaran ko, then so be it. Basta lang mauwi ako sa Pilipinas.
During the event, supporters sang Bayan Ko, an anthem of the 1986 EDSA People Power Revolution. They also called for President Bongbong Marcos to resign.
Marcos resign! Marcos resign!
Aside from VP Sara, Senator Robin Padilla was also present at the gathering. Former Executive Secretary Salvador Mejaldea attended in a wheelchair. Supporters also sang happy birthday to the former president who turns 80 on March 28.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay D.